Hello. Alright, I just got a new loom in the mail. I haven't even used it yet, but I wanted to do kind of like a before review video of kind of what I think about it. It just says knitting loom on it, but as you can see, it's a sock loom. It has pictures of different patterns, different things you can make with it. Hand warmers, leg warmers, socks. Has a picture of the tool and the loom itself on the back. It obviously came from China, I will assume. It took me about 2 weeks, I think, to get it. I ordered it off of eBay, and there's a link in the description below of the seller that I got it off of. I think I paid less than $3 shipping and everything for it. But here's the loom. It's a very neat looking loom. And then of course you get your hook and your tapestry needle with it. Now this is a very interesting loom. I am kind of disappointed because that's all it comes with. There are no directions, patterns, or anything. But since it came from China or something, they may have been in a different language. But for what I paid for it, I really expected a very flimsy loom, but the material this is made out of is actually really nice. And I've seen looms like this with the pegs like this, but I've never actually used them. So I'm really interested in trying it out. I've always been intimidated by them because, as you can see, there's no hook at the top to really hold your yarn on. And that's something that I've gotten very spoiled with and I'm very used to. This one does have a slight bend in it. Something else I saw that was really interesting. See if I can get this to focus. There are numbers. It's kind of interesting. Here in the middle, one R, and it goes 2R, 3R, and then 1L, 2L, 3L. I would assume it would mean right and left, but if that is so, they're on the wrong sides. Because this is the left side, and all these have R's, and this is the right side, and all those have L's. Let me look on it this way, see if it's still... Well, this way, I guess if you're holding the loom like this, and you start here, this would be going left, and this would be going right. I'm assuming that there is a pattern book somewhere out there that will explain that a little more and give you ideas of why it is like that. As far as the gauge goes, I haven't even tried it, so I'm really not sure how tight it will knit. But I am really interested in trying it because, oh my, I have carpal tunnel, and here is the knitting loom I have. The sock loom. Got tons of knitting looms, but this is the sock loom I have. It's made absolutely amazing, and I love it. But it hurts my wrist too much to really make anything on it. This is as far as I got on a sock. It's just like a little bit of the brim and a rib stitch, and then I had to stop because my wrist, the carpal tunnel is just killing me. Oh, I just realized I just have paint all over my hands. I have been screen printing some bags that I'm making with my website's address on them, and of course I forgot to wipe the paint off. Anyway, okay, so no clue the proper name for this loom other than knitting loom. I would assume you would look it up by sock loom, but I will, of course, there's a link in the description. Now, if anybody watching this video has actually ever used this specific loom, I would love for you to post just your thoughts about it in the description below. And if you know of any patterns specific for this loom, or even if there is a book that gives you patterns for this loom, absolutely let us know. Post the links. If it doesn't let you do a direct link, if you comment with the links, I will put them up in the description, so it'll give people just a direct link to all the information and all the different options that they have with this. And I have noticed this one peg over here is a little taller. I don't know if that is just kind of like a little oopsie from the manufacturer, or if that is to help give you a guide for peg 1. No, that's probably not it, because right here you have your 1R and 1L. I don't know. But I am very interested in trying this out. As much as I have on my plate, it'll probably be a while before I do get to this. But for the price, it is a great loom to have around, especially for collectors like myself. And it is made very well, so I am very pleased with the make of it. Again, I've never used one of these looms, and I am excited about that. And I'll probably actually do a secondary review of this after I get a chance to use it. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed the video, and again, if you have used this loom, have any more information about them, please post below. And if there's any other items that you'd like to see reviews of, leave comments. Alright, thank you.